In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record your voice in Soundtrap. First, open your browser and go to Soundtrap. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you can access everything you've been working on. Once you're in, head to your projects page. This is where all your existing sessions live. Find the project you want to work on and select it to open the workspace tied to that project. Next, click on Studio. This launches the main recording environment, where you'll see your timeline, tracks, and the controls you'll use to record and edit. Inside the studio, look for the option to add a new track. Click Add Track, then choose Voice and Mic. This tells Soundtrap you're creating a track specifically for vocal recording. Before you record, make sure your microphone is properly set up. Check that your mic is connected and selected as the input device. If your browser asks for permission to use the microphone, allow it. In Soundtrap, confirm the correct input is chosen, then speak at a normal level and watch the input meter. You want a healthy signal that stays out of the red to avoid distortion. If it's too quiet or too hot, adjust the input gain. Try to record in a quiet space, use headphones to prevent feedback, and keep a consistent distance from the mic. Now select a preset that matches your style. Presets are starting points with processing tailored for different voices and scenarios, such as narration or singing. Choose one that fits what you're doing. Don't worry, you can always change it later or fine-tune it after recording. With your mic set and a preset selected, you're ready to start recording. Press the record button. You may see a short count-in, then the timeline will begin moving. Speak clearly and maintain a steady pace. Keep an eye on the level meter and aim for a balanced signal. If you make a mistake, you can stop, move the playhead back, and try another take. It often helps to capture a few seconds of silence at the beginning. This room tone can be useful for noise reduction later. When you're done with a pass, stop the recording and play it back to check clarity and volume. If something sounds off, revisit your mic setup, try a different preset or adjust your position slightly, then record again. That's it, you've added a voice track to your Soundtrap project and captured a clean recording ready for editing and mixing.